Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And as you heard a few seconds ago, ladies and gentlemen, that was a $1 move. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and when the price gets up a little bit farther, we'll lock in that $1 move, and then we will go over why we got into this setup. H pattern, slingshot. H pattern, slingshot. H pattern Fibonacci retracement, lightning to the upside. What we want to see is we want to see the price break through the high of the day, which is 449. So once we get up to there, we'll see how it reacts. If it takes more than a minute or two to break through that area, we'll just pull profits. If we go farther, we might go up to the 449.25 area, which puts us above the $2 move. So again, we're going to play this bar by bar and see what happens. Here is a $2 move right here. If we don't see the price accelerate with violence and speed here in the next 10 seconds or so, if we start getting back up slowly to the high of the day, we'll actually punch out.
Order fill.
And there's about a $1.75 run, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think that the price is going to break through this high of the day, at least at this point. So, as always, never forget, be a pro.